welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, an iconic hatchback that has been a favorite among Indian car buyers for decades. Known for its affordability, reliability, and practicality, the Alto 800 gets a fresh upgrade in 2025. Let's dive into what makes this compact car a perfect choice for budget-conscious buyers and first-time car owners. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 features a refreshed exterior design that looks modern yet maintains its compact charm. The front grille is wider and more stylish, with new LED headlamps and DRLs adding a contemporary touch. The updated bumper design and sharp character lines on the body enhance its visual appeal, making it stand out in the entry-level hatchback segment. Inside the cabin, the Alto 800 offers a surprisingly spacious and practical layout. The dual-tone interior gives it a premium feel, while the ergonomic seating ensures comfort for up to 5 passengers. Despite its compact size, the clever use of space makes it a comfortable car for city commutes and short trips. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 is powered by a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 796cc petrol engine. This engine delivers 48 PS of power and 69 Nm of torque, providing adequate performance for city driving. Maruti has also worked on improving the engine's refinement, ensuring a smoother and quieter drive. For those seeking fuel efficiency, the Alto 800 doesn't disappoint. It offers an impressive mileage of 22 to 25 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its category. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki continues to offer a factory-fitted CNG variant, which provides even greater fuel savings and lower emissions, catering to eco-conscious buyers. The 2025 Alto 800 comes equipped with several modern features to enhance convenience and connectivity. The dashboard now features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. This system makes it easy to access navigation, music, and calls on the go. Other features include power windows, keyless entry, and steering-mounted controls. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Alto 800. The car comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders as standard across all variants. The new body structure has also been reinforced for improved crash safety, ensuring peace of mind for the driver and passengers. One of the key highlights of the Alto 800 is its compact size, which makes it perfect for navigating narrow city streets and tight parking spaces. Its turning radius of 4.5 meters ensures excellent maneuverability, making it an ideal car for urban environments. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for its low maintenance costs, and the 2025 Alto 800 is no exception. With affordable spare parts and an extensive service network, owning an Alto 800 remains a hassle-free experience. This is one of the reasons why it continues to be a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. The expected price of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is around a superscript 13.75 lakh for the base variant, while the top-end variant with all features could go up to a superscript 15.25 lakh. Showroom. This competitive pricing ensures that the Alto 800 remains an accessible option for first-time car buyers and small families. Customization options are also available, with Maruti Suzuki offering various accessories such as seat covers, floor mats, and body decals to personalize your Alto 800. Buyers can also choose from a range of vibrant colors to match their style preferences. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is not just a car, it's a dependable companion for millions of Indians. Whether you're looking for an affordable daily commuter, a reliable first car, or an economical option,